So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys a piece of my financial journey and a huge goal that I've always wanted for myself and you might want to have for yourself as well. And that's crossing the six-figure mark in income in 1 year. So what I want to share with you guys is everything that I've learned about making six figures, how I was able to make over $100,000 in less than 10 months at age 22 without a college degree. Now, what I want to share with you guys is my journey about the skills that I've learned, the people that I met, and more importantly, just break down everything that I've learned about making over six figures at age 22 without a college degree. The first thing I want to share with you guys is that when I dropped out of college about 10, 11 months ago, I was scared. I was lost in life. I wanted to make a lot of money for myself. I was scared to let my parents down. I was scared to let my grandma down. I was scared to let so many people down because society told me in order for me to make the most amount of money, for you to succeed, to make all this money, that you have to go and put yourself in a financial burden of $60,000 to $40,000 to $100,000 worth of student loans in order to get skills that will qualify you, that will allow you to make over $100,000 per year. Now, I might share with you guys a quick little thing, but I started to track my income from the moment that I dropped out of college. I made over $110,000 all through bonuses, all through my businesses, and more importantly, just what I've paid myself after taxes, over $100,000. So what I decided to do is to drop out of college and to drop in all the passions and drop in on all the things that were curious in my life. And more importantly, I wanted to develop the skills that can allow me to make the most amount of money. The one thing I want to share with you guys, and one of the most important things that I learned about making money that took me so long to understand, that will help you cross this bridge of making more money faster in your life without being old. Like, the truth is, you can make a lot of money if you're young, because all you have to do is acquire the right skills. Because the skills that you acquire, the skills, the character traits that you develop will be the reason that you're able to increase your income and make money into your life. But the problem is, it takes time. It takes traditional education sometimes, but more importantly, you have to learn valuable skills that cannot be taught in school. So what I want to share with you guys is that I developed specific knowledge. Now, one of the best things that you can do to set yourself from other people is develop skills that other people do not have. And this is similar of why I don't really believe in college, is because you go to college to acquire certain skills that other people have, which means in the total marketplace, you have the same skills, which means that your value is the same. So what you want to do when you're young, and what I focus on truly when I was young, is learning high income skills that can separate myself from someone who is 45 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, and help myself become the most valuable asset I could be at the young age. So what I did is I learned a lot of different skills. Number one is I learned the skill of communication, turning on the camera, learning how to market myself, learning how to sell, learning how to be personable with customers, and building relationships was one of the best skills that I started practicing early in my life, and that you can start developing in your life that can help increase your income. This skill alone has allowed me to grow my personal business. This skill alone has allowed me to build a presence online. This skill alone has allowed me to capture attention. This skill alone has allowed me to understand how to market, how to sell to people, to increase and control my income. So this small skill of sales and communication, and just learning how to communicate properly with the right people, has allowed me to get in a lot of different areas in my life. And more importantly, having the understanding on how to connect with people has allowed me to get my way into positions where I should not typically be at age 22, marketing, working with business professionals, selling myself to people that have, like, typically on paper, no right reason to talk to me. So what I'll show you guys is, first, develop some type of skill when you're young, whether it's selling, whether it's going out and learning how to do engineering, whether it's going out there and becoming a surgeon. Do whatever it takes, learn every day, and start building these habits that are like to start growing and learning and training your mind to help optimize your income and life. Secondly, what I want to share with you guys is a bit about hard work. Now, being 22, being young, what I wanted to realize and share with you guys, that if you want to increase your income, one of the best things that I've done in my life is not only develop habits that can help make me a hardworking individual, that not only allow me to be focused and motivated at a young age, but what I want to share with you guys is the truth about making $100,000. No matter if you optimize these skills, no matter if you want to go out there and build a business for yourself, make money online, is that you just have to put the damn work in. At age 22, what I realized, that if I'm taking this separate path in life, if I'm going a different route in life, not going to the party scenes, not going to college to enjoy the 4 years of my life, the vacation, and I'm going to take and sacrifice these 4 to 10 years of my life at age 22, and I want to make all this income, hopefully $200,000 here shortly, that I need to put the actual work in. That on Saturdays, I need to put the work in. On Mondays, from 9 to 5 to 9 to 10, no matter how many hours that I need to put in, that will control my income. The truth is, guys, there's no other way around it. If you want to build income in your life, and you're acquiring these skills, you're focused on getting these skills, you're starting to build a brand on social media, whatever you love to do, it takes an insane amount of skill. what I've seen in my age and people young in life that are hungry, motivated, that want to make more money in life are just going to have to put in the straight up effort. The effort that of waking up early, the effort of growing yourself mentally, spiritually, physically, the effort of going out, working the long shifts, and more importantly, the effort to serve other people. Through my businesses, guys, both building a lawn care, landscaping business, through diversifying my income and going into the tree business now, selling customers and sales, and then building a personal brand on the back end of building different multiple streams of income in my life, all in a matter of 12 months came to a lot of different things. The focus on building skills, the focus of going all in on something I wanted to do, and more importantly, the absolute hardest amount of work I've ever worked in my life are the three things, and more importantly, the character traits that I've developed at a young age has allowed me to figure out what I can do, what type of arbitrage I can buy something for this, I can sell my time for this and make money. Learn how valuable you can become. Don't let your age, don't let a college degree, an education, a piece of paper define your income in life. And more importantly, become the most valuable person that you can be. If you're making $50,000 a year working at a desk job, well, you're probably exactly what you need to be making. You have to develop skills. You have to become a valuable asset within another business. Go work for someone and become the most valuable business asset for them, or go work for yourself and become and start to sell that asset to other people, either with your time or go out there and use leverage of communication, media, or people to go build this business for you as well. So that's what I want to share with you guys, is that this has been an absolute wild of a journey. I decided to drop out and go full-time with this business. Absolutely insane. I'm so grateful for what I've done, and more importantly, we are just getting started. So some other things that I focus on, especially at night, was working from 9 to 5 with my business, and then from, let's say 7 to 10 p.m., 10 to 11 p.m., working on my social media, which has helped a lot of income in my life. It's just a full process of working, full development, and more importantly, don't let a college degree hold you back from the true success you have in life. So that's my story. I'm so excited to share this with you guys and continue to document my journey. But today, we're ending work a little bit earlier. We're going to go pick up and do some leads now here. We're going to finish up with this YouTube video. We're going to go back to the gym, and we're going to end the night with more content, more reading, and just more love and more opportunity for business. So guys, thanks again. If there's anything I can answer for you, I hope this gave you a little bit of clarity on what you need to do if you're young to hopefully increase your income and really maximize your time and your youth to make a lot of money, because I believe age will not dictate the amount of income that you will receive in your life. I love you guys so much. I'm so grateful for this channel. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and more importantly, I don't want to sell you on anything. I just want to share with you guys my journey on how I'm doing it to hopefully get you to where you want to be. I was a lost boy. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was making $20,000 a year. I was going to go down the path to work in corporate America. I was screwing myself. I wanted to just drop out and go pursue my businesses. And slowly but surely, I've learned so much. I've scaled my income, and we are just getting started. And I just want to share this journey with you guys as well. So love you guys. See you in the next video, and comment below. Cheers.